In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an email as HTML in Keap. Whether you're a marketer needing to reuse your emails across different platforms or a developer looking to customize your email templates, knowing how to export emails effectively is a valuable skill. Let's dive into the process. Start by heading over to your Keap dashboard. This is your main hub, and from here, you'll want to navigate to the Comms section. Under Comms, you'll find Email Broadcasts. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a list of all your email broadcasts. These could be emails you've drafted or ones you've already sent out. Next, you need to open the specific email you wish to export. This could be any email you've worked on using the new email builder. Perhaps it's a draft that's still in the works, or maybe it's a fully polished broadcast that you've previously dispatched. Once you're inside the email editor, your next destination is the menu that holds additional options. Look towards the top. Usually you'll spot a three-dot menu, sometimes referred to as the More Options menu. This menu is your key to a range of functionalities beyond the basics of email drafting and designing. Now, click on that More Options menu. You'll see a variety of actions you can take, but the one we're interested in is Export HTML. This feature is incredibly handy. By selecting Export HTML, you initiate the process to generate the raw HTML file of your email. What this means is that the exact code that makes up your email's design and functionality is prepared for export. After you click Export HTML, the next step is to save this HTML file. This part is straightforward yet crucial. Once the HTML file is generated, a prompt will usually allow you to download and save it to your local storage. Keep it in a directory where you can easily access it later. It's good practice to name your file something recognizable and relevant to its content, making it easier to find. With your HTML file now saved on your device, you have several paths forward. You can review the file using a code editor. Tools like Visual Studio Code or Sublime Text are great for this purpose. This allows you to make any minor tweaks or customizations if necessary. If your intention is to reuse this email, the HTML can be uploaded to other platforms that accept custom HTML designs, enabling you to maintain your brand's consistency across different email services. And there you have it, a straightforward way to export your email from Keap as an HTML file. By following these steps, you can seamlessly integrate your email content into various platforms and make the most out of your email marketing efforts.